Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video. So I did get some really cool things from Born Pretty, so I created this really cute nail design. So if you guys want to see how I did these nails, then just keep on watching. Alright, so let me show you guys what I got. So this is something I'm most excited about. It's like this clear polish, but it has like these little black like speckle things in there. Hard to explain, but you guys will see in the video. I got this really cute pink, a nude. You guys know I love nude, so I got this really cool nude color, and I got a purple, which last minute I did squeeze these into the nail, so I'll show you guys how I did that. And my favorite top coat, so I got some super top coat from Born Pretty, which I have used in a few other videos. So these are nails I'm going to be using. Everything will be linked down below. So to start off, I'm going to be using this nude jelly polish that I used in my last Born Pretty video. I'll have a link down below. It came in like a kit, but you guys, it's almost empty. I have been using this color non-stop since I got it. So yeah, I'll have it linked down below for you guys because I see it's back in stock. And it does go on really sheer. It is jelly polish, but put a couple coats and it's going to be really pretty. You guys will see in a minute. So you guys know I love to paint my pinky a different color than the other fingers. So yeah, that's what I just did. And these are the nails. I did 3 coats of the pink, and that's how they look. Obsessed. Okay, such a good color. Again, will be down below. So for the nude, I'm going to be painting all the other nails half nude and half pink. Wow, I suck at explaining things, but you guys can see I'm painting the nails half nude, half pink. And I probably could have just used the actual brush that came with the polish, but I wanted my line to be straight, and I did end up doing 2 coats. And yeah, this is something really different for me. I wanted the other side of my nose to be kind of sheer, which is why I went with the sheer pink. But you guys, this nude color though, it's bomb. I do have another nude that I used a few videos ago, but it was kind of like a yellowish nude, which I didn't like, but this one was like perfect. So yeah. Okay, so these are what the nails look like after I applied the 2 coats of the nude. So now I'm going in with the star of the show. Again, so excited about this. So that's the name of it on the screen there, and it's like a clear polish, but it has like little specks of black in it, which is just like bomb. So you guys can see I'm putting it on kind of weird. I tried like swiping it down the nail to apply it like normal, but it didn't really apply the black as much as I needed it to. So I'm just tapping it onto the nail, and any excess polish that I have, I just wipe it off with my finger. And I just love the extra touch it gave this nail. Definitely something different from my channel. I don't think I've ever done any nails that look like this before, but I love the way they came out. Originally I just wanted to do nude and then put this on top, but that would have been really boring. So I added the pink in, and I'm so glad that I did. But I love it, you guys, and this comes in other colors as well. Again, I'm going to have it linked down below for you guys. Born Pretty, you guys know, before they even started sending me things, I shopped on there a lot. Okay, most of my collection is Born Pretty because, again, it's affordable and the quality is actually really good. So if you haven't tried out Born Pretty yet, I certainly suggest that you do, especially if you're a beginner nail tech and you're looking to get, different colors, different nail tools. They have brushes. They pretty much have everything that you need for your nails, and it's affordable. So check the link down below. And I did see a few comments, people saying like, how do you shop on their site? Honestly, I'm going to be completely honest. I haven't really been on the site that much lately because they have been sending me things, but I'm going to go check it out, and I'm going to put it in the description box down below because as far as I know, you just log in and you just shop. But if anything's changed, I'm going to go check it out and put it down below. So yeah, check the description box for that because I saw a lot of comments on my last Born Pretty video about that as well. And then this is my thumb. So I just did a full pink nail, and then I just put the black speck on top. I am about to do my nails for work in probably a couple days. At work, I wear my nails short because I kind of have to. I don't have to, but it's easier for me to type like that. So I want to do white nails and put this black stuff on top. And I think that's about to be bomb. It's subtle, but it's still like really cute. It's not going to take me too long because I don't actually have a lot of time to do my nails this week. So that's going to be my nails of the week. And I'll put a picture on my Instagram. So go ahead and check me out on Instagram. So I just really wanted to use this purple. I'm actually putting this purple on my toes this weekend. So yeah. I'm going to put a line down the middle of the nails just to add this purple in it because I really wanted to test it out and see how it looks. It's really subtle, but I just know like a full purple nail with this would just be really cute. I know I've been doing like a lot of press-ons and like my little DIY A-press method, but lately I've really been thinking about going back to doing some acrylic. Maybe not all the time, but I do want to do some more acrylic videos. It's been a couple months since I've done acrylic. I still have all of my acrylic, so if you guys want to see more acrylic videos, let me know down below. I just figured like with these type of videos, this is easier for people to do, and more people, not a lot of people have like a bunch of acrylics sitting at their house, you know, so this one's like more for like the DIY people. But if you guys want to see more acrylic videos, let me know down below. So I did decide to do like a cuticle smile line is what I call it. I'm not sure if that's the official name, but I did go ahead and add some purple to the cuticle area. It's subtle, but you can definitely see it, and it definitely like married the nails together, so these nails didn't look like left out. I added some purple and I love it. I did end up doing 2 coats, even though I only showed you guys 1 coat in the video, but I did 2 coats and I love it. I'm glad I added the purple. So these are what the nails are looking like. Super cute. So now I'm going to go with my super top coat. I'm just showing you guys. I have this on my natural nails right now, and I just love the shine. Affordable and great quality. Link will be down below. So what I'm going to do first is paint the pink part first. Because I added more polish to the nude side of the nails, I didn't want my nails to be unbalanced, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go in with a coat of this on the pink side, and then I'm going to go back over like you guys see me now and paint the whole nail with top coat because I don't want my nails to be looking all crazy, you know. So that's what I did, and it did end up balancing out the nails really well. You can't really tell that there's more polish on the nude side. Okay guys, these are the finished nails. How cute. I absolutely love the way these came out. Quick, easy, great for beginners. Again, you guys let me know down below if you guys want to see some acrylic nails, and make sure you check out bornpretty.com, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.